Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I'm going to show you Stop Notepad from opening previous files on Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to search bar and type Notepad. As you can see here, open it. Now you can see my previous files kept on opening. So go to here. As you can see here, the right upper corner settings. Click on it. Now scroll down. As you can see here, the option when Notepad start. So tap on this arrow. Now, uh, as you can see here, the two options here, continue previous session and start new session and discard. So click on the start new session and discard unsaved changes. Now that's it. Now simply close the Notepad application and open it again. Now open it again. And as you can see here, my new window have opened. So guys, this was a tutorial on how to stop Notepad from opening previous files on Windows 11. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and give it a subscribe. See you in the next video.